global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. I guess this particular news is going to arrest a lot of issues, especially when it comes to the issue of Biafra actualization, IMA, powerful IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, and Simon Ekpa. In fact, this move shocked me, and I know it will not only shock you. Everybody's right now is on countdown to see if truly this can truly come to pass, or if it's just mere propaganda to gather enough followers or enough attention. In a moment, you're going to find out why I'm saying all what I'm saying. But before we do that, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Some days back, as actually Simon Ekpa, the self-styled, self-acclaimed disciple of Nnamdi Kanu on Biafra restoration, had gone all over the social media and offline, insisting that Nnamdi Kanu's name has been removed. Of course, that has been debunked a long time ago by both IPOB lawyer and IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary himself, Ima Powerful. But that's really not where we're heading. Where we're heading is the fact that Simon Ekpa himself said he has promised that he will storm Biafra land on March 15th and chase every soldier away if I don't do it. That he's definitely coming to do the needful. But let me go fully into the news just to give you a recap. Well, according to the news, the self-styled and self-acclaimed disciple of Nnamdi Kanu's Biafra restoration has promised that Simon Ekpa has vowed to ensure come down to Biafra land and chase Nigerian soldiers away where needed. Speaking via his Twitter account, Ekpa stated that he can't continue to live in Finland while his people are being attacked, moved against. If from 15th, you should keep the dates down. If from 15th of March 2022, some days back, some days to go, call it hours to go actually. If from 15th of March 2022 and the military is not pulled out of Biafra land, Biafra land includes Enugu, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Anambra, and the whole lot, but it's actually very specific in Southeast. Say they're not pulled out of Biafra land, I and my boys will go after the politicians, starting from House of Assembly to governors. He said, I can't be in Finland enjoying the funds we raise while our people are suffering. I will storm Biafra land and chase every soldier and police away. Well, they say 4 days to go. What do you have to say? But I don't believe that he would say he's coming down to Southeast. It doesn't add up. But I will believe, because there's already a social media page where he made that comment, but I didn't see where he said he's going to personally come. He said him and his boys could be done on social media. He could just instruct those autopiloters to say, look, block here, move here. But I don't see him coming down to Nigeria. Makawai, I don't see him doing that. But then, let's see how true this is. I guess people are misinterpreting what he said. He said he's himself and his boys, he could do that on social media. He has been doing the autopilot thing on social media, hasn't he? He will tell them, don't autopilot continues, we move. And the autopilot seemed to continue. Did he step his foot on any part of Nigeria? No, he didn't. But to believe in what he's saying, they listen to him and they feel that what he's doing is right. So he said he has put 15th of March as penciled out a date that the military should leave the whole of Biafra land, or else him and his boys will chase them out, starting with the politicians in Southeast, House of Rep, the governors. This will not end well, though. Hey, the truth is, a lot of people have been talking. We're going to take cross section of what people are saying. I I refuse to believe he's coming down to Nigeria. I don't believe one single bit. I don't. Although he has been doing a lot of gymming and exercising to keep fit, both body and soul. Maybe he's getting ready to come. But eventually, if he will come to Nigeria and land in Southeast, my God, definitely we will keep you posted. Let's feel the pulse of Nigerians and those following Simon Ekpa and Biafra restoration on this. Don't forget there are some persons who don't even like his God one bit. They don't like what he says. They don't even believe he went to school. They believe he's an illiterate claiming to be literate, claiming to be educated. While some persons love even the breath he takes. So you have a divided house, and be rest assured that you're going to have divided comments here. This one here is saying it's a welcome development. See you when you get here. Keep your promise and don't fail. Well, this one here is saying saboteurs at work. People should disregard this. It's a propaganda. Mazi Simon Ekpa has come to stay with million supporters. No propaganda. Sabotage will stop Biafrans following him. Okay, because that makes a lot of sense because I know that he said himself and his boys. He didn't say he's going to come to Nigeria. I don't know, but let's say it works. This one here is saying, if Simon Ekpa can do that, I will become one of his supporters. In fact, I will join him there in Biafra land. Whoa! People are saying if he can do this, then by all means, wherever they are, they will follow suit and ensure they protect the territorial territories of Southeast and any part they have deemed as Biafra land. This one here is saying, it's a big move. Biafra must come. May God bless. May God be with you, sir. Mr. Simon Ekpa Njoko ESN. He said that he is Michael Amos. Okay, Michael Amos Agi from Igede, Ojo local government area, Ikejeno, Ebeta in Benue State. Let's make sure that we ground the economy. Let's make that we ground the economy down to. So I don't understand what he's trying to write. I guess he's trying to say that he's Benue and he's also a Biafran. This one here is saying IPOB should concentrate on their mission like autopilot. What we need is Biafra. All this nonsense can't stop, can't help. This one here is saying we are expecting him to fulfill his promise. If at all the above statement is from him, anybody can form his or her own group to get Biafra, not enrich his or herself. God bless Biafra. God bless MNK. God bless DOS. God bless Chike Doziem. All right, I believe that he did say. You're going to see his write up on social media. I believe he said that he has given the government of Nigeria, has also given the politicians who are supporting the government of the day 15th of March to vacate militarization of Southeast. Otherwise, that his boys, they'll activate the guerrilla war. Those were his words. All right, those were his words. So I guess at some point, some persons got twisted or got his words twisted. But I don't know. Maybe there's another place. Maybe he made an audio or video recordings where he said it's gonna come. I didn't hear that. I did not hear that part. But what I heard was the fact that come on the 15th of March 2022, if they do not stop the militarization, then they'll activate the guerrilla method strategy. That's where we're going to wrap it up.